All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good everything. Welcome to Tesla's Wild. My name is Colin. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy what you see here today. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It does truly mean the world to me. We're almost to 300 subscribers, which is amazing because I feel like I was saying we're almost to 200 like a couple days ago in one of my previous videos. So y'all are awesome. Anyways, I'm gonna try and keep this short. I'm tired, just got done with the tennis match, did win it, so that's dope. It's just a beautiful evening, so I think what we're gonna do is take the Model 3 Performance onto a really fun mountain road, Deer Creek Canyon. It's an absolutely amazing road, so we're gonna do two things on this road. On the way up, we're gonna have a little bit of fun and do some spirited driving in track mode and kind of see how much range that eats. And then on the way down, we're gonna use Autopilot, and some of these turns on this road are pretty darn gnarly, so I'll be curious to see if it can handle them. My guess is no, but I guess we'll find out. Let's get right to it. This is gonna be 100% point of view. As I said, spirited driving on the way up, Autopilot on the way down. This is a super curvy, amazing mountain road, so it should be a great time. We'll see how much range track mode and spirited driving uses, and then how well Autopilot can handle a road like this. All right, we'll see you guys shortly. It is 6:50 p.m., 69 degrees, we're at 73%, and we're in Deer Creek Canyon, ready to do some spirited driving. Just giving the road plenty of time to clear up here. Okay, got somebody coming. Some major body roll. There's the trailer I was waiting for. I think we're gonna call that good. Can just enjoy the scenery. Okay, alright. A little bit of struggles there. Came into that turn a little bit too hot. Definitely too hot. This is the first time I've ever used autopilot on a road like this. Okay, definitely would not have made that turn. Keep the cruise control set exactly at the speed limit. I think 40 was just a little bit too hot. 15 miles per hour coming through this turn. Definitely slowing itself down. Pretty good, not too bad. How about this? All right, look at it go. Fucking dope. Oh boy, all right. Nope, it definitely, there's no fucking way. Okay, back on. Gonna keep it down at 30 here. So I think we've learned there's a couple turns that are just too much for autopilot to handle on this road. That's for sure. Be interested to see what it does here. No touching. Wow. Pretty good. Okay. Not too bad at all. So funny. It's amazing. I tip my hat to you, Elon, and everybody at Tesla and your autopilot team. Although I'm thinking we should have reversed this. Autopilot on the way up and spirited driving on the way down. It is. I have had nobody in my way this entire way. It's just how it goes, unfortunately. Thing is doing great. Gonna have somebody coming up on my bumper pretty soon here. One more turn. Oh, look how sharp this turn is. So dope. Okay. Seriously, no assistance. It is just handling it. We are almost down, but we do have somebody right on our tail here, so we'll see. Ooh, this is gonna be a tough one for autopilot here. Oh my gosh. What is this? This is just insanity. This thing is doing so freaking well. Also, I apologize for all of my curse words on this channel. They just come out sometimes. I'm gonna work on that and try and keep this a little bit more PG-13. Okay, that was a little bit close. Alright, I think we're gonna cut the video there and go back to a little bit of discussion and end the video there. Alright, I don't know if you guys can hear that kick on there, but I did turn track mode back on. Gonna do a little bit more spirited driving here while we are closing out this video. Quite a bit of body roll, as you guys probably saw, but couldn't quite experience it like I did, but definitely quite a bit of body roll. Autopilot freaking killed it on some pretty gnarly curves there. It only used about 3% going up and doing that spirited driving. I thought it was pretty spirited. I am by no means a professional driver. Not really sure how to shoot that stuff to make it better, but I am planning on getting another GoPro to simultaneously film outside while I'm also filming inside. So that'll be kind of cool. Also planning on investing in a drone because that will also result in some pretty cool footage. Anyways, not much to say. Track mode is fucking baller. I said I wasn't gonna cuss. Okay. Track mode is amazing. It's truly phenomenal. Didn't use nearly as much battery as I thought. Also, Autopilot did phenomenally well. There were just a couple turns that it couldn't quite handle, and I'm not sure, it just kind of came into the turns a bit too hot. For most of it, I had the cruise control set at the speed limit. I did have it at 40, which is 5 over at one point, and it definitely came into a couple turns way too hot, and it was not able to handle those. Other than that, though, it did a really, really phenomenal job, and as you guys saw in the video, there were some very sharp curves on that specific stretch of road there. So overall, I am fully impressed. I know this is a copy, this has some similar content to Dirty Tesla's recent how does Autopilot handle curvy roads. So, and I wasn't trying to infringe on him, I swear. He's a great guy, makes some really great videos, and I absolutely love his channel. I'm a subscriber to his channel right now. So definitely shout out to him for plugging the idea. It's something I had in my mind, but you just never know with Colorado weather. As you guys saw, I uploaded that Autopilot in the rain. I do have an Autopilot in the snow, but it was like barely snowing, so it wasn't quite how I want to do that video. It's uploaded, but I have it set to private, so we'll see in the future if maybe I drop that. Maybe I'll get impatient over this summer, because I think the next legitimate snow that we get is definitely 4 to 5 months away here, unfortunately. Oh my goodness gracious, you guys. Bro, you guys need to get away from the side of the road, okay? Get away from the side of the road. One of the things you have to deal with living in Colorado, you always have to be aware that there are animals and they could pop out at any point here. As always, thank you guys so much for your support. I don't know what to say. I'm just enthralled by all of the support you guys have given me, and I can't thank you enough. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you did enjoy this video, please smash that like and subscribe button down below, and just you taking your time out of your day to watch my videos does mean a lot. All right, with that said, I hope you all have a great evening. It's evening here, wherever you are. I hope you have a great morning, evening, afternoon, whatever it might be, and we will see you next time.